A white bends a piece of wire to form a figure made up of 5 semicircles as shown below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The two big identical semicircles, so which means that these two are the same, have a radius of 8 cm each, and the other 3 small identical semicircles have a radius of 5 cm each over here. Find the length of the wire. Now to find the length of the wire over here, so like what I taught you all last time, we must be able to identify each particular portion. So we know that there's the straight portion over here, and then there's the curved portion. Luckily for us, 3 of them are the same and 2 of them are the same as well. So over here, right, usually what I like to do is I like to just note down all this length so I can just properly add them up together without missing any part. So this one will be 5 as well, and since this is 8 and this is the radius, right, this is also another radius, so this will be 8, and then same thing, this one will be 5 as well, and then this one will be 8 also, and then this one will be 5. So we want to jot down all these numbers so that we don't forget about it later. So we need to find out, look, this plus this, isn't it one circle? So if this is one circle, let's just find the circumference of this entire thing. So it's part 1, this part plus this part. So I'm going to call this part 1 and part 2. Part 1 and part 2 add up together will be the circumference of the small circle. So if you all can remember the formula for the circumference of a circle, it will be pi times d, right? They say take pi to be 3.14. So this one will be 3.14 multiplied by the diameter. They have given the radius to be 5, so the diameter will be 10. Okay, so let's just go ahead and write that down. So the diameter is 10, so here will be 31.4 cm. Okay, now so 1 and 2 I already have it. How about this one? This one is what I got, 3 and 4. Sorry, we miss out another part 3. How to find part 3? Part 3 will just be half of this, because it's half a semicircle, whereas 1 and 2 together they form one circle. So in order to find part 3, right, I just have to take this and divide by 2. So 31.4 divided by 2, that will give me 15.7 cm. Okay, so I have number 3. Now, this one will be number 4 then, and this one will be number 5. 4 and 5 added up together will be one circle, just that it's a bigger circle. Using the same formula of pi times d, which will be the circumference of one big circle, because I add these two together to form one big circle, right? So this will be 3.14 multiplied by, the radius is 8, therefore the diameter is 16. So 3.14 times 16, throw that inside a calculator, that will give us 50.24 cm. Okay, so we have all 5 parts now, right? So 1, 2 we have already over here, 3 we have over here, 4 and 5 we have over here. Now, the next part will actually be to add them up all together. All the curved portion add up together, all the straight portion all add up together. So, in total, they will be 31.4 plus 15.7 plus 50.24. Okay, then we have to add up the straight portion, which is, here will be 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 will be equal to 10. So this is 10, 10, 10, so it's 30. Then we have another straight portion, which is this 16, and this 16 will be 32. So let's add them all up together. So this one, 31.4 plus 15.7 plus 50.24 plus 30 plus 32, that will give us 159.34 cm. Okay, so this is actually the final answer. So what parents who are watching this, right, always help a child to develop a good habit by identifying each portion and numbering them. So once they number, right, see all my working are all clearly numbered. And then so I do not forget any part that I need to add up together. If not, I can tell you that a lot of students, they will just like 1, then plus this, then plus this, then plus this, then maybe they forget about this part, they add another part, or they add up all the curve, they forget about the straight line. So always make them label. Once they are labeled, right, this will not be a difficult question for them to do. Alright, done.